There we go.
A severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Missoula, Montana. The National Weather Service in Missoula has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Missoula County in west central Montana until 10:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Y, 47 miles north of Missoula, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, train spotters reported. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Missoula, East Missoula, Evaro, and Y. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm has produced damaging winds. A severe thunderstorm warning.